Take this off too.
What?
Give me the Travis Scott shorts. I'll with Cactus Jack. No cap.
You actually want me to take this off?
Take the shorts off, bro.
Okay.
What the fuck is wrong
Take
with you?
your shirt off too, bro.
What?
Your shirt.
Wait, why?
Take the shirt
No,
off,
please.
bro.
I have chest hair.
Take that shit, bro.
It's gonna look really bad.
That's how we should
I ain't
do
gonna tell you no more.
Okay. Wait, T, please.
I ain't gonna tell you no
I
more,
don't wanna
bro.
go there. It's actually cold.
Bro, I'm not about
Okay, I'll take it off.
Take that shit off.
I'll take it off.
Take that shit off.
I'll take it off.
Hurry the f up, man.
Bro, you taking all day?
Jump in there.
What?
Jump in there. Hold this. This nigga think I'm playing. Hold this.
No, T, it's actually cold.
Bro, jump in there.
How am I gonna...
Mother.
What's wrong with him?
Oh, there's something crawling on me.
What's wrong with him?
Hey, we out, bro.
Come on, we go, man. I told you that. I told him.
I need a towel ASAP.
I told him.
Fuck. My dick is so shriveled right now.
I told him 3 strikes and you out.
Ow.
3 strikes and you out.
Ow, run.